Hello everyone. Today we are going to review and have a short, quick review of all these 12 books of Vinod Publications of ETT first year JK Bose book of Hindi medium. As per the new syllabus, all these books are bestseller book of the most trusted educational publishing firm, which is Vinod Publications. So let's have a quick review of each of this book one by one. Work and education first. You can check this out. Things are very well discussed in explain and detail. You can check out contents are mentioned in this book, page number are given, go to any page, find that particular content and read it. So I think it's a very good book, very very well written. Language is given in language is highlighted in both English and Hindi. Much recommendable book. And topics at the end, questions are also given in at behind every unit, which is very good. Other books are also mentioned at the end. So 199.50 rupees is the price of this book, available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218219218. And this book is available on any bookstore also nearby your location. Highly recommendable book at 199.50. Work and education, must buy it. Another book which is pedagogy across the curriculum, again ETT first year book. So this book has a very easy language. Things are very well discussed and highlighted in both English and Hindi. I think you can see, things are, whenever the pictorial representation necessary, they have done that also. It's a very nice, neatly written book. Contents are very neatly explained in detail and highlighted in both the languages. I think it's a much recommendable book. This book is very good, cover 224 pages, and price is just rupees 199.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218219218, or you can buy it at any available bookstore nearby your location of ETT books. So pedagogy across the curriculum, again highly recommendable. Next book, creative drama, fine arts and education, ETT first year book. Amazing book once again. Things are neatly explained, very well discussed in detail. Should definitely buy this book, again highly recommendable. Price is just 199.50, available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or call them directly at 9218219218, or you can also go to any bookstore nearby location and buy this book, just 199.50 for creative drama and education, must buy it. Another book, proficiency in English, ETT first year. Really amazing book. Contents, everything is discussed, and go to any page, find that particular topic, read it. Everything is so well discussed in detail, and this is one of my favorite books of Vinod Publications. And language is very easy. Only rupees 199.50 is the price of this book, and this covers 272 pages. Highly recommendable book. Again, buy it from Flipkart, Amazon, or go to their website and mail them, and book will be delivered to your location in just 3-4 days time. 199.50 for proficiency in English, again bestseller, again, and must buy book. Another book, children physical and emotional health, ETT first year, great. I think it's also a great book. Unit 1, unit 2, everything is discussed, and then things are very neatly explained, highlighted in both English and Hindi, to make it comfortable for any kind of reader. And and the book price is just 249.50, available on Flipkart, Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218219218, and or you can buy it from any available bookstore on nearby your location. Children physical and emotional health, again a great book. Another book is understanding language and early literacy, first year Hindi book. Syllabus is mentioned, and contents are mentioned. Go to any page, find a particular topic, read it, easily mentioned. Diagrams are also given, pictorial representation also given. Things are available in highlighted in English and Hindi both, and book price is just 249.50, available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or call them directly at 9218219218, or go to any bookstore nearby location and buy this book. Highly recommendable book. And early language and understanding language and early literacy. Again, next book is Education Society Curriculum Learner, JK Bose book. Again, highlight, everything is mentioned, contents are given. Go to any page, find it, easily given, neatly given. Things are explained in detail, and nice language, and the language is very easy of this book. Just rupees price 249.50 only, available on Flipkart, Amazon, or go to their email ID, vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com, and a book will be delivered to you very shortly. 249.50 for Education Society Curriculum and Learner, highly recommendable. Next book is Towards Understanding the Self, ETT first year, again very good book. Again, and go to any page, go to any page, find a particular topic. Things are very neatly, easily discussed, and language of the book is super easy, and things are highlighted in both English and Hindi, as you can see. So it's a highly recommendable book. Again, just rupees 229.50, available on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at this number 9218219218, or go at any bookstore nearby location, buy this book. So highly recommendable, just 229.50 towards understanding the self. So another book is Proficiency in Hindi, ETT first year, JK Bose book. You can buy this, topics are given, page number are given, go to any particular page, find that particular topic, in last side of the any particular topic, and other things are also mentioned, questions are also given. So very easy language. 199.50 is the price of this book. Go to Amazon, Flipkart, and buy this book, or you can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com, and book will be delivered to you very shortly. Another highly recommendable book for just rupees 199.50, Proficiency in Hindi. Another book is Contemporary Indian and Contemporary Indian Society, ET first year bestseller. Contents are mentioned, syllabus is mentioned. Go to any particular page, find it. Easily readable book. Topics are highlighted in both English and Hindi. Just rupees 249.50 is price of book. Flipkart, Amazon, both they are available. Go to any call them directly at 9218219218. This is also available, or go to any available bookstore nearby location and buy this book. So Contemporary Indian Society is also highly recommendable book from my side. Again, another book is Mathematics Education for Primary School Child. It's also a highly recommendable book, ETT first year book. Just rupees 249.50 rupees book. It's available on both Flipkart and Amazon, or call them directly at 9218219218, or buy it from any bookstore nearby location also. 249.50 for just Mathematics Education for Primary School Child book is very reasonable, highly recommendable book again. And this book has 305 or 6 pages. You can check, 306 pages this book has. So again, a highly recommendable book from my side, of 307 pages of just rupees 249.50. Mathematics Education for Primary School Child, again highly recommendable. Last book is Childhood and Development of Children, ETT first year. Language is very easily given, things are very properly explained in both the languages, highlighted in both the languages, English and Hindi. 249.50 is the price of this book. Buy it on Flipkart or Amazon, or email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. It's or buy it from any available bookstore nearby location. It's your choice. 249.50 for just rupees. Childhood and Development of Children book is very reasonable. I think all these 12 books of Vinod Publications are high as bestseller books and highly recommendable books from my side. You should definitely buy each one of them. It will be very easy for you to learn anything and to crack the examination like this only, like in just in a go. I think all these 12 books are great, highly recommendable books from my side of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm. So ETT first year books, Hindi medium, JK Bose, you should definitely buy all these books, highly recommendable books from my side. Thank you very much.